In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the Brave browser search engine. This task is simple yet powerful. It allows you to customize the browser to better suit your needs. Let's dive right in. First, launch the Brave browser on your device. This is your starting point for making any adjustments. Make sure the browser is open and running smoothly. If you're not already familiar with Brave, it's a privacy-focused browser that many people find quite efficient. Once you have Brave open, move to the top right corner of the browser window. There, you'll see an icon that looks like three horizontal lines. This is often referred to as the menu icon. Clicking this gives you access to a variety of settings. With the menu open, you will want to select the Settings option. This is where you can manage all aspects of your browser's functionality. Settings are crucial because they allow you to personalize your browsing experience, making it more efficient and tailored to your preferences. Now, in the Settings menu, direct your attention to the left-hand sidebar. Here, you'll find an option labeled Search Engine. Click on this to proceed. This section is important because it controls how your searches are conducted, directly affecting your browsing efficiency. At this point, you should see the search engine settings. One of the first items here is the search engine used in the address bar. This setting determines which search engine processes your queries when you type into the address bar. It's a key feature for customizing how you interact with the web. Next, click on the drop-down menu located next to this setting. Here you will see a list of available search engine providers. You can choose from popular options like Google, DuckDuckGo, Bing, or Brave Search. Select the one that best fits your needs. The choice of search engine can influence the results you receive, so pick one that aligns with your privacy preferences and search habits. After making your selection, you can rest assured that your changes have been implemented. This means that the next time you type a query into the address bar, it will be handled by the search engine you've chosen. It's a simple change, but it can greatly enhance your browsing experience by aligning it with your preferences. With these steps completed, you've successfully changed the search engine in Brave browser. Remember, this customization allows you to have more control over your search results and privacy. It's a small adjustment that can make a big difference in how you use the web. Thank you for tuning in today. Now you can enjoy a more personalized browsing experience with Brave. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to explore more tutorials or reach out. Happy browsing!